Good morning students. Yesterday we started brain teasers of chapter 4. We completed question number 1 to 10. Today we will solve question number 11 and rest part of the brain teasers and enrichment also. So question number 11 is write the following numbers in usual form. So usual form is, this is which form? K into 10 to the power n form, or we say this is scientific form also. So usual form is expanded form. We will expand it. So here positive is a 10 to the power 5. So it will go, decimal will go right hand side 5 places. It will jump 5 places. Means this will become more. When this will be multiplied with this, then it will become more. So from here it is jumped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 place. So this is the answer. Question number 12. This is the expression and asked write the following number into k into 10 to the power n form. Means scientific form you have to write k into 10 to the power n. So first of all, how we will solve? You see such type question. This 10 to the power 5 and 10 to the power 3 will be solve each other. So it will become 5 minus 3 by the law of exponent, and we will divide this. So decimal is there, so we will remove this decimal. So against of this 1 0 we will put an upper side, in numerator side. So it will become 3150 upon 7. For removing this decimal we wrote here 0. Now this divided by 7, 450 into 10 to the power 5 minus 3 is 2. And how we will write this? K into 10 to the power n form means this k, value of k should be 1 or more than 1 but less than 9. So it should be less than 10. So it should be 450 is more. So we will write this 2 places we will remove, decimal here we will bring. So this power 2 will become power 4 because these 2 places will come here. One more place you see. This answer will be 10 to the power t. This instead of 450 we can write this and 10 to the power 2. So this is 4.5 into 10 to the power 4. So this is the answer of this question. Now this question 4 upon 5, question number 13, and simplify the following. Simplify means we will solve it. 3 2 is 6 and bases are same. And this what I have done, reciprocal I have written minus 2. I have removed this minus 2. So this become 4 upon 1. This 4 is equal to 4 to the power 1 will become 1 upon 4. And this solution I have written here 6 minus 2. Division means here negative power this 6 minus 2. And this will become 4 4 is 16 upon 1 into 1 upon 4. Now this answer I have written here after this. 6 minus 2 is 4. And after cutting 4 1 is 4, 4 4 is 16. 4 only came. And after solution of this, this is written 4 times and this 1 4. After cutting, there is no cutting. All will be multiplied 1024 upon 625. Now question number 14. It is written write this in x, that k into 10 to the power n form, and given in word problem. The number of red blood cells per cubic mm of human body is approximate 5.5 million. Means number of blood cells in per cubic mm. In our blood cell, in the area of 1 cubic mm, millimeter area, how many cells are there in our body? 505 million cells are there. So this 5.5 million, how we will write into scientific notation? So first of all, I am writing this as a million. This is the notation of million, 5.5 million. And then we have to remove this 0. We have to write 10 to the power form. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. And this 5.5 is okay. So 5.5 means 10 into 10 to the power 6. Now question number 50 is given, find the value of x. So how we will find the value of x? We know that we have to make the bases same. So this base already same, and now we will apply law of exponent. Minus 2x plus 1. For this division, this negative sign. For this I am using the law, and 3 upon this minus 1. So here I have applied law. Which law? I am reading that law. X to the power n divided by x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n. what we do? We do difference of their power is equal to 3 upon 7, power to the power, this means both will be multiplied, so this is 7, 1 just 7, negative into negative positive, and this will become negative of the negative positive. And now you see only one base, and this side also one base, and bases are same, so we can write the power also same. So this is the basic concept of the solution of x when the x is on the power form. So this I have written here, and as per the law of how we solve the linear equation, by that way I have solved. Question number 16, p upon q is given this much and asking find the value of p upon q to the power minus 2. So first of all we will find the p upon q. p upon q इसको this I have solved, minus 2 है, this I have written here its reciprocal, and 4 upon 3 to the power 0 will become 1 because we know x to the power 0 is equal to 1. And then after solution of this, the value of p upon q came this, but this is not answer. Asking another question, p upon q to the power minus 2 निकालो, p upon q to the power minus 2 का वैल्यू निकालो. तो p upon q का वैल्यू आ गया 36 upon 25 एंड पावर minus 2. सो इसको सॉल्व करके कितना आया? This reciprocal we will write 25 upon 36 power 2. So 625 upon 1296. This is the answer. Now enrichment question, x upon y into y upon z into z upon x, and here power are same. So which law we will apply? When the powers are same, then their bases will be written under one bracket. By that law you have solved such type all question in different worksheets. So under this, and this is a is common, so I have written here common. Now x cancel with x, y cancel with y, z cancel with z. So this all cancelled, what left? Only 1. ये पूरा कैंसल होके एक दूसरे से 1 बचेगा. 1 to the power a means 1. 1 पे any power रहे, what is the answer? 1 is multiplied many times, answer will be 1 only. So this is your answer. So dear children, your HOTS question will not come in any exam, so we will not solve HOTS of any chapters in your fair copy. If you are interested, then you can solve, but this will not come in exam. This is the deleted portion. HOTS of every chapters are deleted portion, and enrichment I have solved. So this is your homework, and one day I will take your test. After 2-3 days I will inform one day before. So be ready for your revision test through Google Form. I will take test of chapter 4. So after completion of every chapter I will take test. Okay, thank you.